The cement industry moves millions of tons out of their production facilities. But for decades, the process of getting that cement from plant to customer ran on paper, queues, and guesswork. That changes now. Cement producers operate in a high-volume dispatch environment. Every day, hundreds of trucks wait in long queues. Manual weighbridge operations slow everything down. Customers have no visibility into their orders, and the entire sales-to-dispatch process creates operational risks and revenue delays. The question wasn't just about producing more cement. It was about delivering it faster, safer, and smarter. Mastek reimagines the cement industry's entire order-to-dispatch journey through two integrated solutions: digital customer experience and IoT hardware automation. Customers finalize prices and contracts, and update on ERP and data sync with customer portal happens real time. The moment an order is placed on the customer portal, the customer or authorized transporter assigns a truck and driver to that specific order. Drivers receive instant notifications via SMS, email, or push notification on mobile app with complete order details. They access everything through their dedicated mobile app. Cement producers can track shipments in real time using GPS from the driver's mobile device, watching their order progress from assignment to confirming delivery at the designated location to safeguard geography-based dynamic pricing. Complete visibility, complete control. IoT hardware automation. The driver arrives at 5 kilometers radius of the plant, and digital token is generated automatically. At the security gate, ANPR cameras scan the license plate, validate the truck, and boom, barriers open automatically. The truck reaches the Unmanned Weighbridge, where the ANPR camera validates its credentials and automatically opens the boom barrier. As the truck enters, IoT positioning sensors guide perfect alignment on Weighbridge. PA announces instructions in the driver's language.
The truck is correctly positioned on the weighbridge.
Tare weight syncs to customer portal in real time. The system directs the truck to the correct silo and verifies proper loading. At exit Weighbridge, net weight is calculated, tolerance limits checked, and the delivery challen prints inside the cabin. Driver never leaves their seat. Shipment details sync to ERP in real time. Exit gate opens automatically. Zero manual intervention. Full traceability. One digital backbone. For organizations that implemented Mastek's solution, the results? Transformational. In the first 90 days, 57,000 shipments, 1.5 million tons dispatched, 633 trucks every single day. Truck turnaround, down 40%. Manual effort, down 25. Yard congestion, down 20. Zero weight disputes, 100% digital traceability, and value realized, $1.5 to $2 million in just 1 quarter. Customer trust soared with real-time transparency. No more follow-up calls, no more guesswork. And the entire operation now runs with full digital traceability and compliance, strengthening governance while boosting throughput. From bottleneck to breakthrough, from manual to intelligent, from complexity to clarity. Mastek, cementing digital excellence. Intelligent convergence for Industry 4.0.